My man. Right, I need this laptop fixing.
No worries, Eddie. We'll get this sent off to the Curry's Repair Centre for you straight away. It's the largest repair centre in Europe, so I'm sure we'll have it back with you in no time.
Thanks, Gaza. You know what? Just want to thank you for everything, man. You've done so much for me. The repairs, the friendship, and, well, the patience. I know a bit of a tech caveman, but you know what? Check your phone. I've made you a little video.
Firstly, who made that song? And secondly, who was filming us?
Don't you worry about that, silly. Look, Gary, I just want to thank you for everything. You've repaired so much for me. But do you know what the most important thing is that you've repaired?
What's that, Eddie?
Thank you, Gary.